Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Mathematics Wala. Now students, in this video I will share problem of JEE Mains 2017. The problem says that we have a given integral 2x raised power 12 plus 5x raised power 9 upon x raised power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole raised power 3 dx, and is equal to, we have given integral and we solve the integral. Then we have given four options. Which option is correct? First, we will solve the problem of this integral. Then we check which option is correct and make these options. Let us start. First, we will solve this problem. We will let this I is equal to, that is equal to 2 raised power 12 plus 5 x raised power 9 upon x raised power 5 plus x raised power 3 plus 1 whole cube dx. Which method we will use in this integral? First, we will divide both numerator and denominator by x raised power 15. Dividing numerator and denominator by x raised power 15, which that x raised power 15, when we divide both numerator and denominator, that helps us to solve this integral. This implies that I is equal to 2x raised power 12 plus 5x raised power 9 upon x raised power 15 whole divide, that is our x raised power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole cube into dx. Now we will further solve this. We will x raised power 12 upon x raised power 15, 5x raised power 9 upon x raised power 15 upon this x raised power 15. Now we will further solve this problem. That is I is equal to this 2x raised power 12 upon x raised power 15 plus this plus, that is 5x raised power 9 upon x raised power 15, that is whole divide, that is x raised power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole cube upon, we will write this as x raised power 5 whole cube, that is 5 multiplied by 3, that is x raised power 15 into dx. Here is power same and we will write the same power, that is I is equal to, that is 2 upon, here is x raised power 15 and x raised power 12. When we this x raised power 12 go into the numerator, then is x raised power 3. Here is x raised power 3 plus 5 upon x raised power 6 into dx upon, here we write x plus x raised power 5 x cube plus 1 divided by x raised power 5 whole cube. Then we further solve it, that is 2 upon x raised power 3 plus 5 x raised power 6 into dx whole divide, that is we will further divide this x raised power 5 divided by x raised power 5, that is 1 plus x raised power 3 divided by x raised power 5, that is x raised power minus 2, because bases are same, powers are subtracted in case of division, that is plus x raised power minus 5, because 1 divided by x raised power 5, that is x raised power minus whole cube. Then we will use by substitution method. If we put this as z, this integral comes out, that is we put 1 plus x raised power minus 2 plus x raised power minus 5 is equal to z. Then we will differentiate with respect to, that is minus 2x raised power minus 3 plus, that is minus 5 x raised power minus 6 whole dx is equal to dz. Then we minus take z common and This is 2 upon x cube plus 5 upon x raised power 6, and this dx as it is, and this minus transfer RHS, that is minus dz. Here we put that is I is equal to integral. Here we write that minus dz, that is in divide z raised power 3, that is z raised power 3 dz, that is equal to minus times, here we power numerator, then it is integral of z raised power minus 3 dz. Here we by integral, simple integral, this is minus z raised power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus of constant c, that is arbitrary constant. We will further solve this. This is I is equal to minus z raised power minus 2 upon minus 2. This minus and minus goes, and 1 by 2, and we will put in the denominator, that is z raised power 2. Here we further solve this problem. Here we write that I is equal to, that is 1 divided by 2, and replace z square, that is square times z is equal to here 1 plus x raised power minus 2 plus x raised power minus 5. Then we will check the options. Here is x raised power 5, here is x raised power 5 absent. If we divide x raised power 5, this whole denominator, that means internal part of this square, 1 divided by x raised power 5, that means this is, if we multiply both, that means we can check this option there. Here is x raised power 5, here is x raised power minus 5, here is 1. If we this multiply x raised power 5, this minus 5 and plus 5 gone, that is 1, that is it. If we this term multiplied by x raised power 5, this x raised power 3, this term is here, and if we 1 multiplied by x raised power 5, that is equal to x raised power 5, this term is. If we multiply both numerator x raised power 10 and multiply this term x raised power 10, here this is x raised power 10 upon 1 plus x raised minus 2 plus x raised power minus 5 whole square. We will write this as x raised power 5 whole square. Here the same power on both the terms. Here we write 1 plus x raised power minus 2 plus x raised power minus 5 multiplied by x raised power 5 and whole square, and we write this I is equal to x raised power 10 upon, this is 2 always. Here we multiply this x raised power 5, here we multiply that is x raised power minus 2 plus 5, that is x raised power 3, and here we multiply that is plus 1. Which option is correct? That is x raised power 10 upon 2 into x raised power 5 x cube plus 1. This is minus x, this is cancel this option, and this option is right because here is same term as the square of this term. This option is correct, option number B. We have in this question that first we multiplied by x raised 15 both numerator and denominator. Then we solve it further in this solution. Then we here using the method that is substitution method, and put this z is equal to z, then this comes occur. Replace this is at minus dz divided by z cube, then a simple integration, and here we replace the z with 1 plus x minus 2 x raised power minus 5 z. Then we check the options because in every option there is same denominator. First we will check the how we can which option is correct. Then we multiplied x raised power 10 and divided by x raised power 10. then further solve this option B is correct. Thanks for watching my videos.